Hi, we are going to learn how to make a sprite animation and how to upload a sprite in this project. Let's start by picking a backdrop. Go to bottom right and choose a backdrop. Here, I'm going to pick desert. Remove this sprite 1. Let's add a sprite. I'm going to pick bear walking. Before clicking it, we can see that there are different costumes for this bear walking to make it walk. So let's click on this bear walking. It's a little big. I'm going to change its size. Instead of 100 here, I'm going to change it to maybe 50, which is half of the size. Okay, great. So let's drag this bear to the bottom left. Let's restart the position whenever we click on green flag. Go to events here. Drag when green flag click and go to motion. Go to XY coordinate and drag it here. Let's compare the current coordinates. The X and Y are the same. Next thing, what we're going to do is, let's try to make the bear move to the right when green flag is clicked. So to make it move, go back to the motion and pick move 10 step and drag it here. Let's try and click on the green flag and see what happens. Okay, the bear moved to the right by 10 steps. Let's make the bear move more steps instead of 10, maybe to the bottom right. We can add a repeat for the move action. Go to control and pick repeat 10. Hover to the move 10 step because we want to repeat the move 10 by 10. Let's try it again. Click on the go button and see what happens. Oh, it's still quite short. So we can increase the repeat. Instead of 10, perhaps we can put 30. And let's try to restart again. Perfect. Okay, here we want to add the animation to make it look like it is walking whenever we repeat the move step here. To see the walking animation, go to the costume tab next to this code. Click on this. We can see that this bear walking sprite has 1 until 8 costumes. If you click on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in a row, you can see that the bear is actually doing a walking animation. So the concept is we are going to start with this costume, first costume, and while it is walking, it will change to the next costume continuously until it reaches the bottom right. So let's go back to the code. In the repeat, and let's go to loops here. Let's pick next costume and drag it below the move 10 step. So what happened is the bear would move 10 step and change to the next costume. Then the whole thing will repeat 30 times. So let's try to click on the green flag again. If we want to slow down the change of the next costume, we can add a control. Wait, go to control and drag the wait 1 second to here, which is after the next costume. So what happened is it will move 10 steps, then it change costume, then it will wait for 1 second before going back to move 10 steps. So I think 1 is a bit too slow, so let's put 0.1 to make it move more natural. Let's try to click on the green flag again. Great, the bear is walking slower. That's all for the animation. Now we are going to learn how to upload our own sprite. Let's go to Google, click on New tab and search for google.com. And here I'm going to search for bear icon and click on images. I'm going to pick this bear And we can see that the background is actually transparent because of its pixelated gray and white background. So all you need to do is right click and save as. And do remember the location that you saved this sprite. Once you're done, let's go back to Scratch. To upload the sprite, go to choose the sprite but do not click it. Just hover your cursor on this button and the first option, which is Upload Sprite. Search for your download folder and your file. Open it, and the best sprite is uploaded to the screen. We can see that it has transparent background. Let's try to resize it from 100 to perhaps 50. Okay, great. And I'm gonna drag this bear sprite to here. Okay, and let's try to restart the game and see how it looks like. Good, because the bear is walking to the right and this bear sprite is not walking because we have not added any motion to it. And that's all for this tutorial. You have learned how to utilize the costume of bear walking and how to upload your own sprite.